Obsidian versus Reflect Notes. In this 2025 comparison, we will find out which note-taking app is better, so make sure to like and subscribe. So let's start with their features. Obsidian is a markdown-based note-taking tool with powerful graph visualization, backlinking, and extensive plugin support. It's perfect for users who like customization, local first storage, and a modular setup. Reflect Notes, on the other hand, is built around speed and simplicity. It focuses heavily on daily notes, calendar views, and clean out of the box experience. It also integrates voice memos and has built in AI support. However, it's more closed than Obsidian in terms of extensibility. And now to their collaboration and syncing. Obsidian works offline by default, and syncing across devices requires a paid sync add-on or third-party apps like Git. It's great for privacy, but not ideal for real-time collaboration. While Reflect Notes is cloud-first, meaning syncing is seamless across all devices with just minimal setup. It's more beginner-friendly for users who need quick access anywhere. Next is their user experience. Obsidian caters to power users. Its learning curve is steeper, especially when installing plugins and configuring the workspace, while Reflect Notes is very intuitive and clean, but offers fewer customization options. It's ideal if you want a simple and efficient workflow right away. So let's talk their AI capabilities. Reflect Notes integrates native AI features like summarization and writing help directly into the app, while Obsidian has access AI through plugins like GPT-based tools, but this requires more setup and sometimes API keys. And lastly, their pricing. Obsidian is free for personal use, but Sync and Publish are paid ons. And then, Reflect Notes. Reflect Notes has a free trial, but it's subscription based with no true free tier. So for final verdict, if you want deep customization, local control, and powerful linking, you can go for Obsidian. But if you prefer a clean and sync AI enhanced experience, Reflect Notes is for you. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.